Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to allow your contacts to see your birthday on the Telegram app for PC. This new update brings a handy privacy feature that lets you decide exactly who can view your special day. So, if you'd like your friends or family to get a reminder when your birthday comes around, keep watching and follow these simple steps. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and everything is up to date, so the latest privacy settings are available. Once you're inside the app, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines. That's the main menu button. Click on it to open Telegram's sidebar menu. From this menu, find and click on Settings. This is where you can manage your profile information, notifications, and privacy preferences. After opening the Settings section, look for Privacy and Security. This area contains all the options that control who can see your personal details and activity. Inside Privacy and Security, scroll until you find the feature called Birthday Privacy. This is the new setting Telegram introduced to manage your birthday visibility. Click on Birthday Privacy and you'll see a few options to choose from. To share your birthday only with people saved in your contacts, select My Contacts. This means that only users you've added as contacts will be able to see your birthday on your profile, not strangers or anyone else. It's a perfect balance between staying private and still letting people you know send a birthday wishes. Once you've selected My Contacts, don't forget to click Save. This step locks in your choice and activates the new setting right away. That's all it takes. Now your Telegram birthday privacy is set perfectly. Your contacts will be able to see your birthday whenever they visit your profile, and you'll maintain control over who gets that information. Simple, quick, and effective, exactly how Telegram likes to keep things. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to leave a like, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more easy Telegram tutorials.